Hello, it's Kim here from Dream Life by Design, and I'm here with a quick tip for Teachery. So I had one of my customers of the theme toolkit ask me how you can copy sections within your course. As an example, I'm going to show you 3 ways which you can duplicate your blocks within your lessons. So just to show you exactly what I'm talking about, in this theme, I have it set up so that we have this little call out box and this download section. Now, both of these are set up as a content block within the lesson page. So I will show you that now. So you can see this one here. This is the call out box and here is the download box. Now they look slightly different within this view because we are using some CSS in the background of this theme to make them styled this way. But the problem that my student was having is that she didn't understand how she could duplicate these sections from either this page or into a new lesson page. So let's go through all of the options that we have at our disposal. The first way that you can copy content for a content block is to use this icon here. This just does a straight duplication of that block within the lesson page, and it will look exactly the same. That's great if you have sections within your page and you want to just repeat them throughout. Now, if you want to take this section and put it on a brand new page, you won't be able to use that feature. So let's add a new lesson and we'll call this test. And I will show you how you can quickly copy and paste. So if I open this up in a new tab, so we can have our test one and our template one together. The quickest way to do it is to click within the content area. It's usually helpful if you try and click on text, because if you click on an image, it can be a little bit. And then you do Command A. So that would select everything. If you're on a PC, I'm on a Mac. If you're on a PC, then you do Control A. And then you want to copy that. So Command C on a Mac, Control C on a PC. Go to your page, add a content block. And this bit is important. You want to do add text/image. And then you can just paste it straight in. So that's one way, which is amazing. Another way that you can do it is to, and I'll use the call out box as the example this time, is to click within the content block itself, then go on more rich, code view, and this will give you the HTML and CSS that is being used within this particular section. So you just copy all of this out. Click on this little icon here, this angle brackets, to close that particular section and revert it back to its standard layout. And then within your lesson, you would do add content block. And again, it's add text/image. And then we need to revert back to that code view in order for us to paste our code in. Now, I'm not seeing the more rich option coming up. So what I can do is if I just add a space and highlight that, I then get this little context menu come up where I can click more rich, code view. I can delete that out and then paste in my code. Now, when I switch back to the default view, you can see that it's now in place. If I go ahead and just preview this page, you'll be able to see that those sections have pulled in exactly as I expect them to look. So these methods are really helpful, especially if you're working on payment pages and perhaps you want to copy one content block from an old payment page onto a newer payment page, because the payment pages in Teachery can be a little bit problematic. These methods will help you speed that process up, and hopefully it'll help you speed up creating content within your lessons. If you have any more Teachery questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below and I will do my best to create a video around it. Otherwise, I hope you found this really useful.